Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diva Ash here and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous kind of coppery brown smoky eye. It's really easy, really simple. We're using the Saharan 2 palette for this. So if you want to learn how to create this, then continue watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a really easy classic kind of smoky eye just using 3 shades. And for today's look, we are using the Saharan 2 by Juvias Place. This is a really cute palette. Comes with 9 gorgeous shades. Amazing. The shimmers are amazing. So, in fact, actually, we're going to be using 4 shades today, 2 shimmers and 2 mattes to create a really easy smoky eye. Because I'm going out with my father today, me and my sister, and we're going for dinner, so I have to look really simple yet classy. And yeah, so no more waffling on, let's get on with the video. So let's bring you in closer and let's get down to some eyeshadows. So guys, obviously I already have my makeup done. I usually do my base, especially before using Juvias Place. Their palettes are amazing, there's not much fallout, so I'm not really worried about that. But let's get into the eyeshadow, and this is going to be a quick tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to be dipping into this first shade called Taza, which is right here. It's like an orangey kind of brown. So I'm just going to dip into that, and the brush I'm going to be using is a Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. And I'm literally just going to pop that. Oof, look at that payoff, instant. Gorgeous. And I'm just going to do swiping motions back and forth and use this as kind of a transition shade. So I'm just going to blend it upwards as much as I can. Guys, I've literally just dipped into this shade once. Oh, and also I already primed my lids just using any old concealer, and then I set it using translucent powder. Wow, one dip went a very long way. And there we have our first shade. So now I'm going to take a smaller crease brush. This is the 224 Luxe Defined Crease Brush by Zoeva, so it's more small because I don't want to take this next darker color so high up and so intense. So we are going to dip into the shade Fez, which is this gorgeous darkish brown color here. And we're going to pop that on the outer corner and then just blend that into the crease area. So because this is the darker shade, I'm going to start off with just a tiny bit, and then if I want to darken and deepen it, then obviously I will do so according to what I like. So I'm first just patting that in, and then I'm just going to take that around into the crease area. So on the edges here, I'm just doing circular motions because I do want the edges to be more blended out. These palettes by Juvias Place are amazing, guys. I cannot stress to you, the pigment in them is absolutely beautiful, and they're not like pressed pigments, so you don't have to use them in a specific way, which is what I really love. I hate when palettes have directions as such on how to use them. I would just, when I'm ready to go out, I just want to pick something up really easy and just get my eyes done. So now that I've put on the darkness as much as I want, I'm just going to go back in with my first brush, not take any more product, and I just want to blend out the middle kind of area just to ensure that everything is looking really nice and smooth. So now we've got those 2 shades on. For this next bit, I am going to put some translucent powder just underneath here because we are going to be working with shimmers and I don't want anything to drop on my base. So I've just realized most of my packing brushes for shimmers I actually just washed. So I'm just going to use my fingers and we'll make it work. So guys, the first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade here. It's called Hadiya. This one here, it is gorgeous, and we're just going to pop that on like the center, going towards the inner corner, but not all the way in the inner corner. So I don't know how this is going to work because I've got really long nails. So we're just going to pat that on. So guys, I managed to find a 232 Luxe Classic shader, so we're going to go in with that and see how it works on my eyelid like this. Okay, that works so much better. That's quite interesting. Usually stuff doesn't look that bad when using the fingers. I also want to just wet this and see what the payoff is like. So I've just popped a bit on my brush and I'm just going to wet it a little bit, and let's see how this pays off. Oh, that's gorgeous. All right, let's do that for the other eye too. So guys, now we have our first shimmer on. So now we are gonna go in with this next shimmer. It's called Aziza. And why can I not hold these palettes today? This is the shade Aziza. It's gorgeous. It's like a goldy, like a really light gold. It's beautiful. And we're gonna pop that in to the inner corner portion of our eyes. And for this, guys, I'm going in with a brush that I don't ever use for it, but I don't have any other brush to use. So I'm just going in with an angled liner kind of brush, but at least I can get that really nice shape that I want. So I'm gonna go in without using any, oh God, that shade is beautiful. Don't actually need any thick spray for this shade. Taking that right into the inner corner and blending that into that kind of coppery brown shade we've got there. And I'm also going to take that slightly onto the lower lash line. So guys, now that we have the tops of our eyes done, we're going to concentrate on the bottom. Now I want the lower lash line to have a really kind of deep smoky kind of look, so it matches what we've got on top. So I'm going in with the 224 Luxe Define Crease brush. This is the brush that I use to use that darker shade. And I'm going to dip into that shade Fez. And I'm just going to slightly pinch this brush. And I'm just going to pop that on the lower lash line. Now, as you can see, I'm not taking it all the way in. And just connecting it. So guys, now that we have that shade, I'm going in with the first brush we used. And we are dipping back into Tazza, which was that first shade, and we're just going to smoke this further out. Now, obviously at this point, you know, if you did want to be more precise, you don't have to take such a fluffy brush, or you can take that brush and just pinch it in and you can get a really nice smoked out look. So guys, now that we have the eyes done, I'm just going to pop in some black liner, put on some lashes, and I'll be back with the final look. So guys, this is the final look. I think it really goes really well with like my hair and my lips today, because obviously everything else is really kind of natural looking, and then the eyes kind of pop out, and oh, I love them. Let me close my eyes for a second so you can have a look. And obviously guys, I didn't cut the crease, so it might look a bit messy, but sometimes when we're going out, we just don't have time to do all of that and do all of these steps. And also, I didn't wear such dramatic eyelashes. I did on some really cute ones, and then I also lifted the edge of my eye because sometimes eyelashes can close my eyes. And yeah, so let me zoom you guys out and let's finish the video. Yes guys, so I'm actually really loving this eye look. Now I've usually, from the palette, I usually like to use their bold colors, especially their blues, because their blues are gorgeous. I would swatch it for you right now, but I don't really want to get my outfit dirty. So next video, if you guys do want me to use this palette again, then obviously let me know in the comments down below. So guys, let me know what you thought of this look down in the comments below. I absolutely love it. I think in real life, the colors are popping so much more than what I can see on the camera. So if I can, I'll take some pictures and pop them around here so you guys can see, unless I'm having way too much fun and I forget. I'll try to take some pictures now for you guys. So thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. If you did like the video, then leave me a big thumbs up. And if you are not part of the Diva Army and the YouTube family, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Before you go though, over here is my sub button. So if you just didn't listen just then hit that sub button now. And on this side is my next video. So if you have nothing else to do and you want to binge watch me or just watch me in general, then hit that. Okay? Okay.